How to submit Excel files to ChatGPT. Now, the main mistake what people make is they take this Excel file that is in a workbook format and they try to give this to ChatGPT. Look, ChatGPT cannot read that. What you need to do first is you need to convert this to a CSV format. This is how you do it. Click on File here at the top left, and then come here and click on Save As. And then what I want you to do, guys, is choose a folder. Okay. Now I'm going to choose downloads. On this option right here that says save as type, I want you here and click on CSV. Come here, click on CSV, and then click on save. So we have saved this file as a CSV, and it says with a pop-up that some features in your workbook might be lost if you save it as a CSV. This is okay with me. I'm going to keep using that format. Yes. All right. Now let's go back to ChatGPT and let me show you. All right. So here we go. I have my CSV file. I'll drag this and drop it to ChatGPT. And then we'll wait for this to go ahead and upload. And I can first send this to ChatGPT and submit it. And you will see that ChatGPT can do things with it. For example, analyze the data, summarize it. I'll ask it to analyze it. Let's see if it can read the data. All right, so it's trying to analyze this CSV file I gave it. And let's see, here we go, guys. And it actually works, as you can see. Now, the main reason it was not working for you is because it was in a workbook format. ChatGPT cannot read those. So it's really that easy and simple, guys.